Students, we'll continue with exercise 14.3. So I'll start with the second question. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. So they have given the distribution of the class interval and its frequency, and even they have given the median directly. What we need to do? We need to find the value of x and y. Even they have given the total frequency, that is 60. So what is the first step? We need to look at the class interval, whether the class interval is continuous or not. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So the class interval is continuous. So next step is we need to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. How we will find the cumulative frequency? So we need to add the 5 as it is. 2, 5, what we need to do? 5 plus x so 25 plus x, then 25 plus 15, 25, 30, 40, 40 plus x, then 40 plus x plus y, after that 45 plus x plus y. Now what they have given, the median is 28.5. Where does 28.5 fall? See, in between 20 and 30, this will be the median class. This will be the median class. So this will be the respective frequency, and this will be CF, and this will be the frequency. This will be the class interval. So what is n? N is equal to 60. N by 2 is equal to 30. Fine. And see, this total thing, this will be equal to 60, because when you add at the final end, you are going to get the total. So this 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45 is nothing but 15. We'll call it as equation 1. Okay. Now see, since 28.5 falls between 25 and 20 and 30, 20 to 30, therefore 20 to 30 is the median class. Once we identify the median class, what we need to do? We need to note down the respective data, that is L is equal to what? L is the lower limit of the median class. So 20 is the lower limit. And what is the respective frequency? Frequency is 20. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 5 plus x. Then we need to know what is h. The size of the class interval, that is 10 minus 0 is nothing but 10. So therefore what we can write? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This is the formula. Okay. What is L? L is 20 into, what is n by 2? N by 2 is nothing but, see, I'll continue. I need space. I'll continue here. L is 20 plus n by 2 is nothing but 30 minus, what is CF? CF is 5 plus x, means 5 plus x into 10 divided by 20. So what is the median? Median already they have given. Median is equal to, they have given median is equal to, what is it? 28.5. What is it? 28.5. Okay. Now we'll place the value of median here, 28.5. Now when I transfer this 20 to the left hand side, what will I get? That is 8.5. Because 28.5 minus 20 is nothing but 8.5. So 10 ones are 10 twos are. Okay. If I transfer this 2 to the left hand side, it will go to the numerator. That is 2. 8.5 into 2. Now 20. Already 20 I have used. Because 20 if I transfer to the left hand side, what I will get? 28.5 minus 20 is nothing but 8.5. 10 ones are 10 twos are. 2 I will transfer to the left hand side. It will be 8.5 into 2. Now what is left? 30 minus 5 minus x. Okay. 8.5 into 2 is nothing but 17 is equal to 30 minus 5 is nothing but 25 minus x, or else x is equal to x. If I transfer to the left hand side, it will become positive x. 17 I need to transfer it to the right hand side. That is 25 minus 17. Therefore x is equal to 8. 25 minus 17 is nothing but 8. So from 1 what we have, I am continuing here. From 1 what we have x plus y is equal to 15. So x plus y is equal to 15. Already we know the value of x, that is 8. 8 plus y is equal to 15, or else y is equal to 15 minus 8, or else y is equal to 7. So we found the value of x and y. So what is the basic procedure? First we need to identify the median class. Before that we need to check the class interval whether it is continuous or not. If it is not continuous, what we need to do? We need to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and we should add 0.5 to the upper limit. So we should make the class interval continuous, then we should solve the problem. So after finding the median class, so we need to note down the respective data which is required for the formula. So please note this down. So third question, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So what we need to do, they have given, see this is already they have given the upper limit, and if you look at the frequencies, so already they have given 100 policy holders. So what you have seen, 100 at this. So what does it convey? Whatever the frequency that they have given, it is a cumulative frequency. So already they have given, so this is upper limit they have given. So we need to write the class interval. And when I write the class interval, look at this. How can we write the class interval? See. So it is stated that so insurance will be given to the person having age 18 years onwards, and it is in between 18 to 60. So if whoever the person, if they have the age in between 18 to 60, that person will receive the policy according to this particular statement. So what we need to do, we need to write the class interval. See, below 20 means, so the age, the minimum age for this to get the policy is, that is 18 to 20. Then below 25 means 20 to 25. Why I have written 18 here? Because minimum age requirement is 18. So below 20 means it should be between 18 to 20, because minimum age is 18. It is below 20 means it is in between 18 and 20. Why? Because 18 is the least age, the minimum age wherein the person can get insurance. So now already 18 to 20 is there. Now it is below 25 means 20 to 25, because if we add, it includes both this as well as this. So next, below 30 means 25 to 30. Below 35 means 30 to 35. Below 40 means 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, then at last 55 to 60 is the maximum age. Now, what we need to do? What is n? N is equal to 100. What is n by 2 then? N by 2 is equal to 100 by 2, which is equal to 50. So 50, look at 50. Where does 50 will fall? 50. And what should be our criteria? The cumulative frequency should be near to 50. The cumulative frequency should be near to 50, but it should be more than 50. So it is less than 50. It is more than 50 but near to 50. 89 is far away from 50 when compared to 78. 78 is which is near to 50 and which is more than 50. So this will be the model class. This will be the median class. This will be the median class. So median class is equal to 35 to 40. Then what is the respective cumulative frequency? See, this is 45. CF is 45. Please wait. Let me adjust the focus. Okay. Now CF is equal to 45. Then what we need? F. Okay. For timing, leave it as it is. H is equal to 40 minus 35 is nothing but 5. Size of the median class. Then we have CF, F, H. Okay. L. L is lower limit of the median class, that is 30. What we have, see, we need to find F. How we will find F? See, this is cumulative frequency. To obtain the cumulative frequency from the normal frequency, what we used to do? We used to add the succeeding term. Now, what we need to do to get the frequency from the cumulative frequency, we need to subtract the previous term from the, we have to subtract previous cumulative frequency from the succeeding frequency. So 2 as it is. 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4, and 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6 is nothing but 18. 45 minus 24. 45 minus 24 is nothing but, directly I will write here, 45 minus 24 is nothing but 21. 78 minus 45. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. Fine. 89 minus 78. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Then 92 minus 89. 12 minus 9 is nothing but 3. And 8 minus 8 is nothing but 0. 98 minus 92 is nothing but 6. 100 minus 8 is nothing but 2. So now where we are, see, for class interval 35 to 40, what is the frequency? Frequency is 33. Frequency is 33. Now median is equal to, what is the formula? L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. What is L? L is nothing but 35. L is 35. 35 plus, what is n by 2? N by 2 is nothing but 50 minus what is CF? Where is CF? Is nothing but 45. Then what is F? Is 33 into what is H? 5. Okay. Now 35 plus 50 minus 45 is nothing but 5. 5 into 5 is nothing but 25 divided by 33. Yes, 35 plus 50 minus 45 is nothing but 5. 5 into 5 is 25 divided by 33. Now what we can write? See, 33 ones are 33. So 25 is less than 33. What we can do? Put a decimal. What it is going to become? This is 250. 33 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 plus 2. 23. 7 3s are 21. Carry 2. 7 3s are 21 plus 2. 23. So 250 minus 231 is nothing but 19. 19 means 190. So 33 4s are 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 plus 1. Sorry, 33 5s are 5 3s are 15. Carry 1. 5 3 15. 165. That is approximately equal to 13.75 is nothing but 8. 35.8. So the median is equal to 35.8. Please note this down. Shall we recollect what we did? See, upper limit was given and directly you will get the cumulative frequency. To get the frequency from the cumulative frequency, subtract succeeding minus preceding. You will get the frequency. And how you will write the class interval? See, why I have written 18 here? Because minimum age is 18. So below 20 means it will be 18, between 18 and 20. Then the next class interval will be 20, 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to, like that you have to write the class interval. Then, so total n will be equal to 100. So n by 2 will, I will get 50. So where does 50 will fall? So 50, so we have to select the cumulative frequency in such a way that it should be near to 50 but it should be greater than 50. So 45 is less than 50. Next you go to 78 which is near to 50 and which is greater than 50. Okay. After that find the, so you got this, whatever the class interval corresponding to 78 will give you the median class. So this will be the median class, and note down the respective data required for the formula, substitute, and you are going to arrive at the final value. Okay. So please note this down. Okay. One more variety, that is fourth question. The length of the 40 leaves of a plant are measured corrected to nearest millimeter. Corrected to nearest millimeter. The obtained is represented in the following table. Whatever the data that they have obtained, they are represented in the following, in the form of the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. So what is the first step? We need to check whether the given class interval, whatever the class interval they have given, whether it is continuous or not. See, 180 to 126. If it is 126, then we would have said it is continuous. But here it is 180 to 126. After that it is 127 to 135. Gap of 1 is there. So how we will adjust? Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit, add 0.5 to the upper limit. So 118 minus 0.5 is nothing but 117.5 to 126.5. we need a space. Wait. $117.5, because subtract 0.5 from the lower limit, that is 117.5, minus add 0.5 to the upper limit, that is 126.5. This will be 126.5 to 135.5. Next 135, see 136 there, subtract 0.5, that is 135.5 to 144.5. Next 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5. Next 153.5 to 162.5. Next 162.5 to 171.5. Next 171.5 to 180.5. Next, what we need to do? We need to write down the cumulative frequency. Next step is cumulative frequency. How we will obtain the cumulative frequency? Successive addition. So cumulative frequency, that is CF, is equal to 3 as it is. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 12. 17, 27, 29. 29 plus 5, 34. 34 plus 4, 38. 38 plus 2, 40. The total n is equal to 40. Already they have given. Then n by 2 is equal to 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. Fine. What we need to do? We need to select the cumulative frequency wherein it should be near to 20 and it should be more than 20. 17 is less than 20. 29 is near to 20 and it is greater than 20. So this is the class interval. Therefore, median class is equal to 153.5 to 162. That is 144.5. Because see, 29 is near to 20. Whatever the class interval corresponding to this 29 will be our median class. That is 144.5 to 153.5. So we need to collect the data corresponding to that particular class interval. So what is L then? L is equal to 144.5. Then what is F? F is equal to 12. F is equal to 12. Or again CF, cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So that is 17. Next H, size of the median class, 153.5 minus 144.5. So that is 9. Next 140, see, leave 0.5, 144 plus 9 will give me 153. That is the difference. So median is equal to median, what we need? Median length of leaves. Median length of leaves is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. What is L? L is 144.5 plus what is n by 2? 20 minus CF is nothing but 17. What is the frequency? 12. What is the size? Size is 9. Okay. Now what we can do? 3 multiples. 3 3s are, or else 4. Oh yes. 3 3s are, 3 4s are. Fine. Right. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 divided by 4. 20 minus 17 is nothing but 3. 3 into 3 is nothing but 9. 9 divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 1 left 10. Again 4 2s are 8. 2 left 20. 4 5s are 20. Enough. 2 decimal. After 2 decimal. After decimal 2 digits are enough. So this will be equal to, see, 146.75. So median length of leaves. Median length of leaves is equal to 146.75. What is it? All the dimensions are in mm. This will be equal to mm. That is millimeter. Fine. So what was the twist? Only thing, so the class interval was not continuous. So we need to make the class interval continuous. Difference 1 difference was there. Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit, add 0.5 to the upper limit. So you will get the continuous class interval. So after that, the procedure remains the same. Okay. So please note this down, and the rest, whatever the problem which are there, those will be your homework. You need to solve on your own. If you have any difficulty, please let me know. I am going to help you. Exercise 14.4 is not there for your syllabus. So this concludes statistics. So in the next video, we are going to cover the probability. Then we'll move to the circles, areas related to circles, and then constructions. Okay, thank you.